What is that ostomy edition? What's an ostomy?
Tortilla.
What goes inside an ostomy?
Your poop. And farts.
A flange or wafer?
Holds the ostomy, the sticky part on you. The base.
Yeah! Do I have an ostomy?
You had Crohn's colitis, but like really, really bad. You had to get multiple surgeries. And you
Yay!
have no what she said.
I have no video. I let out the air from my ostomy bag. What do I call it?
Burping the bag.
Anything I can't do with an ostomy.
Yeah.
Slay! What are the 3 types of ostomies that exist?
Ileostomy, colostomy, urostomy.